We are going on a boat tour, private boat tour, the Amalfi Coast this morning. I think it's 2 or 3 hours, and I just paid for it yesterday, but we're gonna get to see some cool stuff hopefully and go to a small island. It's our last day here. I think it's that one. Yeah.
How are you guys?
Good.
Doing great. How's it going? Good. Oh, nice. Hello. There is a Bluetooth if you want after this.
Yeah, I guess so.
I think they're attracted to the Hey, listen. Have you got it?
Okay.
What is this?
Sant'Andrea Caves.
Ah,
We are one town and one saint protector. It's behind the hotel restaurant.
Ah, Yeah.
Yeah. Cross on it.
Yeah.
And I was also thinking if we pack most of our stuff, like the stuff we're not going to need for tonight and tomorrow. That looks good.
Yep. This is the room. Our stuff is out. TV. There's air conditioning. And then a nice big bathroom. Closets, shelves. This is the massive bathroom. It's a jacuzzi. And then shower. Nice door. And then shelving. Okay. And a little bidet. So that is it. And then outside on the balcony. Yeah, so in Costa Rica, they have to put the collars on dogs and they let their dogs just roam and stuff. So pretty. So we made it back from the boat tour. The sea got a little rough coming back, and I was at the bow of the boat and laying down, and it was good for a while, and then I got sprayed in the face with some water, and I was like, oh, I better move to the middle of the boat. Good thing I did. I may have been washed overboard had I not. I was gonna grab my towel in a second, and I grabbed my bag. Good thing I grabbed that as well. And I had it in my lap. My back was turned to the bow, and I was facing the stern, and a wave just came over the top of the boat and just hit us in the back, or hit me in the back, and my bag got pretty soaked. And my GoPro, my new GoPro, well, it's not new, I bought it used, and this is always a risk with used GoPros, but it seems to not be closing completely, and I can't really tell that it's not closing completely, but there is water that is getting inside. I noticed it the last time I swam with it, so I used my GoPro Hero 7 after that, and it's pretty reliable. It's a little bit older and not quite as good quality, but at least it keeps the water out. And yeah, on the way back, my towel flew into the sea, and we didn't go back and get it. The captain just continued on. I was like, oh, okay. It was just a hotel towel, but luckily it's biodegradable and everything like that. Maybe a passing boat will get it. So we fly out tomorrow, have to get up at 5 and drive 4 hours to catch our flight, which seems like a bad idea to me, but I didn't plan this trip, so I have to go back the day after. Like, we land 8 o'clock at night in DC, which means we'll probably won't be landing until 10, because I'm sure there'll be delays. It's like prime tornado season right now in the US, and there's been a lot of tornadoes. Probably won't get home till midnight, and then I have to go to work in the morning because there's nobody else to run the class. I was going to take the day off, as I usually do after going on trips. There are only 3 people out of 8 on our team that have been holding down the fort for weeks. I don't want to throw that on coworkers, so my coworker is doing the administrative part of the class, and then I'm just going to run it because I can't dump it on her. It'll be a super stressful week. I've been having nightmares about going back to work. I really need to find a new job. It's just, this is not worth the stress. I had 2 interviews in the weeks before I left on this trip, so it's a start. But yeah, this job is just awful, and it's not worth losing stress over. I think we're just gonna take a nap, pack up the car, since they're gonna switch over the cars before we leave, so our car will be out and ready at 5 a.m. because nobody around here gets up before like 8 or 9. They're all out pretty late, so I think they take a nap during the day.
Follow me for more travel content